Hey guys, what's up? It's McNeil from Louison Automotive, and Louison Automotive will be hiring. So I just want to put a video out there to let you guys know that we're hiring. Alright, so about 6 months ago, I kind of gave you guys an idea about the master plan, what we were thinking and what we were getting into. So obviously the first part to that plan was renting out the location, trying to find I think we did make a video saying location for rent or business opportunity. I can put a link to that video somewhere here so you can check it out if you haven't seen that. But that was the first part of the plan, where we wanted to find somebody to share the location with so they can focus on car sales, and then we can now focus on our repair business, because like we mentioned time and time again, we have a 4-bay mechanic shop and we've never gotten to run that shop at full capacity how it is meant to be. And I want to put my focus there because I think that's a great opportunity to try to get that shop running how it was meant to be. So we were fortunate enough to find a guy to rent the location to. I'm gonna introduce him on the channel a little bit later, give him some time to put his signage up and to get a little bit more inventory. But if you are looking for a used car, you can call me, you can call the shop, I'll pass you on to him. The sales number is 647-352-5444, and we will be having cars under, I would say, $10,000, maybe pushing 15 grand, but between 10 and 15. A few cheaper ones under there, but we wouldn't be going too crazy in the price, like much higher in price point than that. Okay, so if you're looking for a used car, or you know somebody looking for a used car, by all means give us a phone call, and then I'll pass you on to our new guy. And like I said, I will introduce him to the channel later. So now the second part to the plan is, now that I have the sales guy there who will be selling the cars, I'm trying to expand the service side. So we're looking for a licensed mechanic. We're looking for somebody with, in Ontario, we need what they call a 310S license. We're looking for somebody with a 310S license, and it will be preferred if you had an emission license as well. So if you did emission testing, I know Ontario, we don't have emission on the light duty vehicles as yet, but our shops were informed that they will be doing emission testing again eventually, and potentially combining it with the safety inspection. So we want to be ready for that. We want to be ahead of that. So I need somebody who had the emission certifications as well, something where they used to do emission testing. Okay, give us an email at louisonauto@gmail.com. You just email Anna. I'll put the email in the comments, the description below. Just email Anna and we'll go through those emails there. So if you're interested in working with us, and you're somebody who is highly motivated and know how to help us take the shop to the next level, because also, even if I've been doing the shop for maybe about 5 years now, it's still kind of new territory for me, because I was always in the used car sales business really. So if you have more experience than I do, I appreciate that. I want you on our team. I want you to be able to come in and show us how we can make more money with this shop, how we can take this shop to the next level. That's what I'm looking for, because the next 4 or 5 years, I want this shop to be banging. Okay, so if you want to be part of our team, holla at us, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Don't forget to put a like on our videos and to subscribe. I'm talking to you, bro. You!